Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today we're checking out the Pelican Quest 10-foot kayak. Marie Ballantyne in her Pelican Quest kayak. So which one do you like better, the Pelican or the Sun Dolphin?
I like this one. I don't know.
Now, as many of you know, I have a pair of Sun Dolphin kayaks that are 10-foot sit-on-top kayaks that we take and go fishing and kayaking around on. But I needed some additional kayaks for family members, so I started looking for kayaks. I think I found the perfect pair. Let's take a look at the Pelican Quest 10-foot sit-on-top kayak. So this is the Pelican Quest 100X Angler, which is a 10-foot kayak. The paddle did not come with it. I had to buy that separately. And it's a Field and Stream Chute adjustable paddle, so you can adjust it to where the paddles are perpendicular, or you can offset them by about 20-30 degrees. So that's what we selected for there. You notice on this kayak that on the Sun Dolphin you have foot adjusters. On this one they're molded in. Just put your feet where they would normally go to make you comfortable. It does have a adjustable backrest and a seat pad, so that was nice to see. There are two rod holders on this one. You do have your drink cup holder here, and then these drains are so any water that would splash in drains out. So you can see I have one of my rods in there just to show you what it looks like. There are grab handles which make it easier to put it in and out of the water, and you can also grab underneath here. In the back there is storage area with the fabric to keep your stuff in place so it doesn't fall out. We like to wear our life jackets when we're kayaking. This is a Type 5 inflatable. It's the manual one. I also have one that's automatic. If I'm out on my fishing boat alone, if I hit the water, it automatically comes on. But in kayaking, you get a lot of water on you, so I don't want it to accidentally inflate. So these are the manual only inflatable life jackets, and they're very comfortable and they're not in the way, so they're easy to wear. Most people don't want to wear a life jacket because it's bulky and prevents and limits their movement. These do not do that, so they're an excellent choice. And if you look at the statistics, life jackets are a major lifesaver. And folks that don't have them on, even in small boats like this, small boats are one of the areas where we see a lot of catastrophes happen when folks go in the water without a life jacket on. In Pennsylvania, by the way, in the early season, you must wear a life jacket when the water is cooler. So you might as well buy one you're going to wear anyway. There are handles on the stern and the bow to help you carry it. Here's the other handle on the other side. This is the Field and Stream. And then in the bow, there's another bungee cord to tie things down. So we usually attach our waterproof box up here, throw the water bottle in here. And then here is the bow handle. This is a 10-footer. Now, many of you know I have racks that go on top of the truck, so we can haul them up there. I can also haul two more in the bed of the truck. I'll show you a clip of that right now so you can see it. As you can see, we have the Sun Dolphin Journeys up top and the Pelican Quest down below. Get the 4 kayaks with us. You probably want to know, well, what's the price? So during the pandemic in the summer, you couldn't find kayaks anywhere. But I found these at Dunham Sports, They were $249 a piece. I have 2 of them. And I think I paid either $29 or $39 for the paddle. So a relatively inexpensive way to get on the water. Now a lot of people prefer the kayaks that have a harder shell and your legs go inside it. You know, and you just have to decide what type you want. I like to sit on tops because there are times when we will use these kayaks in the ocean and they self-drain if you get water in, and if you do get thrown out, it's much easier to climb on this one. You don't have to try to dump the water out of it. So that's why we went with the sit on top kayaks. Harley has not gone kayaking with us. She's been out on many of the boats, but she has not been on the kayaks. I don't know that she'll want to do that. So we tried these out and we had relatively good success with it. And let me show you some video of that right now. Used our kayaks, these Pelican kayaks, we used in Blue Marsh Lake, Leaser Lake, and the Susquehanna River. So we got, you know, some really good experience with them before we decided to do this review. So if you're looking for an entry-level kayak that's relatively easy to transport and easy to maneuver and use, the Pelican Quest might be one you want to consider. Very capable sit on top kayak and uses very little water. So if you're going down a river that's shallow like the Susquehanna can be without the keel, you know, this is a much more maneuverable kayak in shallow water. But it works on lakes too, as you can see. So things you'll need: the kayak, the paddle, and a life jacket, and some way to transport it. We can also, by the way, transport these on the racks on our Subaru, and I can also put them on the garden trailer. I can put 4 or 5 of them on there. Those rooftop portable racks that you can buy for cars, even if you don't have a roof rack on your car, relatively inexpensive and will get you on the water. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. It helps me out a lot. Ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and give the video a thumbs up. That helps too. And also, I do have a specific kayak playlist on the channel. So if you go to the channel, you click on playlist, and then click on kayaks, you can see all the kayak videos we have. More important than all that, go have some fun out there. Thanks for watching.